wishing you all a very good morning. Welcome in my social studies classes. It is grade 5. I am Ojashwini, your teacher of social studies, and today we are going to start a new block 5, how trade is started. So guys, I hope you already study the topic block 5. So our today's topic is barter system. Learning plan 1. And our aim for today's topic, describe how people exchanged goods in a barter system to meet their needs. Our resources for completing this topic are 1 pencil box, 1 ruler, 2 sharpener, 2 eraser, 4 pencil, and you have take 2 or 3 sets of each. Then S1 exceed content book, notebook and rough notebook and water bottle. So keywords for today's topic is barter, exchange. And now it's time to a short recap. What we learned in last week. We studied block 4, beginning of our settled life. In this block, we knew how farming started, how agriculture started, then changes in tools and invention of the wheel. How people knew early humans might have seen a log of wood rolling at a speed and got the idea of the wheel. And this wheel helped them in many ways, like for carry heavy loads, to make pots, to make cotton clothes, for further travel, and etc. Oh, it means this image is for our today's bonus question. And our today's bonus question is, method of exchange of goods or services is known as. So you will get the answer of this bonus question in our today's topic. So must watch the whole video for knowing the answer. And also note this question in your rough notebook so that you can answer correctly in forms app. So first we will do activity, okay? But before, tell me, what do you do if you want to play with your sisters, brothers or friends twice? Yes. What are the pictures showing? Yes. Pictures showing that when we want to play with somebody else toys, we usually exchange them. It means today we will learn how people exchanged things in earlier times. So now it's activity time. So do one thing. You can ask for your siblings or your parents if anybody have with you. So every person must have a pencil box, a ruler, 2 sharpener, 2 eraser and 4 pencils. Is it? Now put different items in each exchange box, such as 5 erasers but no pencil in one box, 4 sharpeners but no ruler, etc. Like this, distribute all the things between you. Then we will start our activity. So I hope you all have divided all the things and nobody have all the things in their boxes. Something missing in your box. So, how did you get all the things in your exchange box? You don't have all the things? How did you get? Yes, if you understand my point or what clues I gave you, it means we exchange the extra things in our box for the things we needed. Suppose that you have all the four sharpeners and your siblings don't have any sharpener. So you can give them sharpener, and you don't have pencils, so you can take pencils. Like this, we will complete our eraser or exchange box. Did you need money? Yes, money to get the missing things? Of course not. We don't need of money. We did not need to give money for the missing things because we can exchange the things. So we no need of money, and our partner have all the things that we needed and we have the things that they needed. So we can exchange it. What did you do? Yes, for getting all the things, what did you do? Very simple, that we exchange them means we had all the things, we exchanged them for the things we wanted. Is it, guys? Means what you don't have you take, and what others don't have you will give. So, what do you think this method of exchange is known as? When you are taking something and giving money, that is known as purchasing. Or you are giving money and taking something, that is also selling and buying. But when you are only exchanging of things, so that method is known as, yes, barter system. In barter system, we exchange the goods or the services. Like if okay, take a simple example of your lunch time. सपोज दैट आज मम्मी ने आपके लंच बॉक्स में केवल पराठा रख दिया और अचार. अब आपको तो सब्जी खाने की आदत है, आपके बगल वाले हैं काउंटर पार्ट, उनके पास सब्जी बहुत ज़्यादा है लेकिन उनकी मम्मी ने रोटी एक रखी है. आपके पास पराठे 4 हैं लेकिन सब्जी नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे आप उनको अपने पराठे दे देंगे और उनसे आप सब्जी ले लेंगे. इज इट? ये हो गया बार्टर सिस्टम, मीन्स एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ गुड्स. नाउ एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ सर्विसेज. सो टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, घर में आप भाई बहन हैं, आपके हाथ में चोट है, आप अपना राइटिंग वर्क नहीं कर सकते और आप चाहते हैं कि आपके सिबलिंग्स आपका राइटिंग वर्क कंप्लीट कर दें वरना कल पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. दूसरा, आपके जो सिबलिंग्स हैं, भाई या बहन हैं, उनको किसी और काम में आपकी ज़रूरत है. मतलब वो मम्मी ने उनको बोला है कि ये सारा सामान उठा के उनको इस बॉक्स में रखना है. तो अगर वो अपना सामान रखेंगे तो आपका राइटिंग वर्क कौन करेगा? तो उन्होंने आपका राइटिंग वर्क किया, किसने? आपके सिबलिंग ने. और आपने उनकी जगह अपने लेफ़्ट हैंड से सामान उस जगह पर ले जाके रख दिया एक एक करके जहाँ रखना था. तो ये हो गया एक्सचेंज ऑफ सर्विसेज. आई होप नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल. सो why did people exchange goods in earlier times? In earlier times, people exchanged goods to get the things they needed. Like some people had a lot of grain but no animals to give them milk. So क्या एक्सचेंज किया? मैं आपको ग्रेन दे देता हूँ, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा मिल्क दे दो. दैट इज बार्टर सिस्टम. What things do you think they exchanged using the barter system? Because in ancient time there is only basic things were available. So what they were exchanged? You can see the pictures. Take pottery and give dead animal. Yes, people mostly exchanged animals, grains, pottery, wood and wool in a barter system. You can see some other examples of barter system like grains, exchange of apples, carrots, exchange of comb scissors, her toys, exchange of his toys, and exchanging of fruits. These all are barter system. Okay, now I will tell you a short story, a very short story. So you have to listen, then think and answer. In a village, a farmer has a lot of wheat grain but not enough clothes. A milkman in the same village has cows for milk but no clothes. You can see in the picture. So, do you think they can exchange things with each other for clothes? Need clothes. And he also need clothes. It means they cannot exchange things because both needed same thing. I hope you understand, guys. Neither the farmer nor the milkman has clothes. Therefore, they cannot exchange things. You know that barter system does not provide any help to them in this situation. It means अगर आप दोनों को सेम चीज़ की ज़रूरत है और दोनों के पास ही वो सेम चीज़ नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे बार्टर सिस्टम कोई भी हेल्प नहीं करता, क्योंकि बार्टर सिस्टम में एक चीज़ के बदले दूसरी चीज़ ही ले सकते हैं. लेकिन जब दोनों के पास सेम चीज़ नहीं तो नो बार्टरिंग. नाउ व्हाट वी लर्न टुडे, conclusion. So we learned today in exchanging of goods or services is known as barter system. We cannot exchange things with money in barter system. Same things cannot be exchanged. Animals, wood, wool, grain and pottery were some of the things that were used in barter system of ancient times. You can see both of them. Take one hand, give by other hand. So what you learned today, it's time to apply in your writing work. It means apply now, your application time. And your today's application work is study block 5, finish S1 and do PQs 1 and 2 in nice handwriting with no mistakes. So, thank you and God bless you. Bye.